Kailangan ba? Teka lang, Kim. Huwag ka muna mag-picture din na hindi too organized kasi nakakahiya. Nakakahiya ng tao. Kaya nila magtulakan. Pag may ganyan talagang kaya talaga. Hindi ko alam kung anong uunahin. Kahit nakakaya. Kahit anong organize mo. May mga lawa-lawa dito.
What are you doing, baby?
What are you doing?
What are you doing, baby? Na?
Why are you wearing mommy's shoes? Anak?
She's playing with her shoes na, oh.
Dad.
Dirty yan, baby. That's dirty. Dirty yan, dirty.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Wow. Give that shoes to mama. Give that shoes to mama.
May.
Kakalat na naman niya yun, ate. Look at the diaper. Chinin! What are you doing, baby? Yeah? Busy with your shoes. Oh, busy playing with shoes.
Where did you go?
Hello?